Hey, it's Travis with Food Forest Design Minnesota again, and it's kind of a short video, but I'm just going to shoot a quick video. I'm pouring Quickcrete in the hole here. You see that? Nothing too exciting, but just starting to fill all my holes in. And should go pretty quick. You see, I don't know if you can see my level up here. So you level it out. See, nothing too difficult about that. I just gotta level it out, and it's perfect. There we go, just like that, and just like that, it's done. I got 5 more to do, and then we're gonna throw some water in the hole and let them set, and then tomorrow I will be able to start wrapping this thing after I get all the internal posts on. So I'll probably have it wrapped tomorrow, or but it might be raining tomorrow, so I might have to take an admin day, work in my office all day tomorrow, and then I'll do it Saturday morning. We'll talk to you later. Grow food not long.